Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Base, and in this lecture I am going to define about what is Python. So let's start our video. What is Python? And if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Knowledge Base. So let's start our video. What is Python? Python is an object oriented interpreted computer programming language invented by dot man guide van Rossum in 1989, and the first publicly available version of Python was released in 1991. Python is a purely free software whose source code and interpreted are under the GNU General Public License Protocol. Its syntax is clean and clear, which the mandatory use of white space as a statement indent as one of its features. Python has rich and powerful library. It is often referred to as a glue language that can easily integrate various various models made in other language, especially C, C++. A common application scenario scenario is to use Python to quickly generate a prototype of a program, and sometimes even the final interface of the program, and the rewrite part of the of it that have special requirements in a more appropriate programming language. For example, a graphics rendering model in a 3D game, and particularly high performance requirement can be rewrite in C, C++, and then wrapped into an extended classes library that Python can call. It is important to note that you may need to consider platform issue when using extended classes libraries, and some libraries may not provide cross-platform implementation. Although Python source code file.py can be directly executed using Python commands, Python doesn't actually uh, interpret Python source code strategically. Instant Python source code is compiled to generate Python bytecode. The extension of the bytecode file are generally .pyc, which is then executed by the Python virtual machine. The Python here is an interpreted language, meaning that is interprets the Python bytecode rather than the Python source code. The basics idea of the mechanisms is the same as Java and .NET. Although Python also has its own virtual machine, unlike the virtual machines of Java or .NET, the Python virtual machine here is more advanced virtual mechanism. The so this lecture was about Python, and we talk about its extensions of Python program. Two extension talk about two extensions of Python program source code in this figure. In this video, install Python and the runtime environment on the operating system. Write the Python source code. So that's all. This lecture was about what is Python. So I guide you what is Python. So goodbye, and if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Knowledge Base. Goodbye.